To fix Steam Cloud Sync errors, follow these steps. Verify internet connection. Ensure that your computer has a stable and active internet connection. A poor or disrupted connection can lead to sync issues. Check Steam server status. Visit the Steam status page to confirm that Steam servers are operational. If there's a server issue, you may need to wait until it's resolved. Restart Steam. Close Steam completely and restart it. This can often resolve minor sync problems. Check Steam Cloud settings. Ensure that Steam Cloud is enabled for the game having sync issues. Right-click on the game in your library, select Properties and navigate to the Updates tab to verify the Steam Cloud setting. Disable Steam Cloud for the game. If issues persist, try disabling Steam Cloud for the problematic game. Right-click on the game, go to Properties and uncheck the Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization option. Launch the game, save and exit. Delete corrupted cloud files. If the sync error persists, you may need to delete corrupted cloud files. Go to the Steam directory, locate the user data folder, find the folder corresponding to your Steam ID, and delete the files associated with the problematic game. Manually sync. Launch the game and check for an option to manually sync with Steam Cloud. This can sometimes force a successful sync. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider reinstalling the game. Before uninstalling, make sure to back up your game saves if necessary. After reinstalling, check if the sync issue is resolved.